How to connect PS5 to MacBook. Want to play your PS5 on your MacBook screen anywhere? Here's the easiest way to stream and play without any extra hardware. Visit PlayStation.com, Remote to Play. Download PS Remote Play for macOS. Install the app and sign in with your PlayStation Network account. On PS5, go to Settings System Remote Play and enable it. Go to Settings System Power Saving Features available in rest mode. Enable Stay connected to the Internet. Enable turning on PS5 from network. This lets you wake and stream your PS5 remotely. Ensure your MacBook and PS5 are on the same Wi-Fi 5G recommended. Open PS Remote Play and select PS5. Pair your DualSense controller via USB-C cable or Bluetooth. Hold Share plus PS button until the light flashes, then pair via Mac Bluetooth settings. Stream starts automatically. Now you can play anywhere on your MacBook. Thanks for watching.